Okay, one more thing, and then I'll get you over to your purchase. Now, as you've already seen, helping businesses get their websites ADA compliant is one sure ticket to massive online income today. And in this short video, I'll be revealing a brand new income stream that you can unlock right now that's even more powerful when it comes to ADA Bundle. Trust me, this is by far the easiest way to make the most money from your purchase. But first, I must warn you, this opportunity is highly limited and it's not for everyone. We are opening it up for just the first 100 people to jump in. We just can't afford to get it saturated. All right, by now I'm sure you are well aware of the risk a lot of businesses and website owners are in due to their non-compliance to the Accessibility Act. As of today, there are over 400 million active websites online. This includes blogs, stores, personal websites, corporate websites, you name it. This gives you an idea of the size of the market that is in dire need of the solution ADA Bundle now provides. You need it. Every business needs it. In fact, anyone that owns as little as a single web page online is in dire need of this cutting-edge technology. So, what if you could be the one that gives it to them and get paid handsomely for doing so? I mean, what if you could sell access to ADA Bundle as if it was your own product and keep all the profits for yourself? You could make thousands of dollars every single month with this, without you doing any hard work. No fluff. You see, one secret of online success is selling products and services that your target market truly needs. And ADA Bundle provides a solution that virtually everyone in the online space will happily pay for. This is not like any reseller program you've bought in the past. In fact, this will be the first that will not only pay for itself, but also launch you into a stream of sustainable income online. Here's how it works. Immediately, you add this special upgrade to your purchase. You get access to the following: your ADA Bundle Unlimited Reseller License, which unlocks your opportunity to profit massively from the widely untapped market. Access to your very own reseller dashboard, where you can create and manage unlimited ADA Bundle user accounts. Done-for-you marketing materials that include a sales page, video, testimonials, case studies, email swipes, and even Facebook ads creative, all specially created to sell ADA Bundle. With this, selling will be a breeze as each asset is professional and has been tested and proven to convert. Product and customer support, plus all future updates are handled by the ADA Bundle team. You simply sell and leave the work to us. This is a massive opportunity that you can instantly plug into and start profiting from right now. But you need to act fast because we are making this offer extremely limited. We don't want it to get saturated. This is why we're offering only a few numbers of reseller licenses up for sale. Once we hit the number, this page will go down and this incredible offer will be gone for good. Remember, this is a special launch offer and thousands of people are going to come on this page. So there's no reason why you shouldn't secure your access right now. You purchased ADA Bundle because you see the problem it solves and the opportunity it presents. Well, good for you. It's good for others too. Not to mention the earning possibility is absolutely limitless. If you're truly ready to make full-time income online or even six figures, then make sure you grab this exclusive reseller license upgrade today. This is a great opportunity and the timing couldn't be better. Once this launch is over, we are going monthly recurring and will be charging a minimum of between $97 to $197 per month for a single ADA Bundle user account. So let's imagine you peg your price at $97 per annum, all right? You'll have a better deal than us, and we'll have the potential of selling off more accounts. Imagine you sell just 10 accounts per month. That's $970. By 10, you know I'm just being modest, right? Imagine you sold just 100 accounts from your unlimited license. That's a massive $9,700 in pure profits. And you can sell as much as 1,000, 10,000. Your license is an uncapped baby. Plus, you get the opportunity to also earn a whopping 50% in commission whenever any of your customers choose to get an upgrade. And trust me, they would. You see, the earning potential is just so crazy. And on top of that, we are offering you a rock-solid 100% money-back guarantee for 30 days. If, for whatever reason, you decide you want your money back, just hit up our support and you'll be refunded in a jiffy. We can promise you this because we are 100% confident in what we are offering you today. This software is a mass appeal one, and there's a large market already waiting to bite off your hand when you offer it to them. The marketing assets, bonuses, and training will help you hit the ground running. This literally makes it a risk for you not to try. So don't delay. Go ahead and grab your license while you still can, and we'll get you set up to start selling and making profits on the go.